Listed below are number of words spoken in a day by each member of 8 differently randomly selected couples. Use a 0.01 significance level to test the claim that among couples, males speak fewer words in a day than females. Mu subscript D is the mean value of the differences D for the population of all pairs of data, where each individual difference D is defined as the words spoken by male minus words spoken by females. So the claim is that for the population of all couples, males speak fewer words in a day than females. So this is expressed in a symbolic form as mu of differences is less than 0. So if males speak fewer words than females, so males are smaller, these values would be smaller, minus larger values, the difference should be negative. So mu of differences should be negative, less than 0. And because the claim of mu of subscript difference is less than 0 doesn't contain equality, it has to be the alternate hypothesis. And the null hypothesis should always have an equality equal to 0. So from here, we can find the test statistic. So let's go ahead and open this in StatCrunch. And we can figure out the p-value. Since we're working with couples, this is a dependent samples or paired data. We can do t-stat paired data. Since we're working with couples, this is paired data. Sample 1 is the males because we're doing males minus females. Sample 2 is female, and the claim is that males speak fewer words than females. So male minus female should be less than 0, negative. And we can choose a p-value plot. There's our test statistic and p-value. And we're working with mean of the differences between male and female. And it's going to be a left tail test where the left-hand side of the graph is shaded. This is our p-value. And here is the test statistic. And if we round the test statistic to 2 decimal places, it's going to be negative 0.57. And the p-value is rounded to 3 decimal places, 0.293. So if p-value is less than significance level, we reject the null. If p-value is greater than significance level, we don't reject the null. In our case, p-value is greater than significance level, so we fail to reject the null. So p-value is greater than significance level, so we fail to reject the null. So that means we're going with the null. We don't have enough evidence to support the alternate hypothesis or this claim that says that males speak fewer words than female. Next, we want to construct the confidence interval, and the confidence level is not given, but we have the significance level, which is 0.01, and the alternate hypothesis is less than, so it's a one-tailed test. Let's go ahead and use this chart. Significance level is 0.01 in our question, and we're working with a one-tailed test. So we're going to use a 98% confidence level. So let's go back to StatCrunch, options, edit, select confidence interval, and choose 98%. So here's the lower and upper limit for the confidence interval. So the lower limit is going to be 7, 8, 5, and the upper limit is going to be 8, 7, 0, 0. So if the confidence interval contains 0, which in this case does, because we're going from negative to positive, then it is possible that the mean of the differences is 0, indicating that there is not sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis. Since the confidence interval contains 0, and that means we fail to reject the null hypothesis.